Hello students, good morning everyone. Today I am going to talk about comedy as you like it. It is written by William Shakespeare and has been decided in syllabus for first year students of MLS. Dear students, in one of my video I have discussed about the tragedy, the elements of tragedy, and what are the outcome or what we say that the end result or purpose of tragedy. I told all these elements and things in my previous video. The aim of the tragedy is to arouse pity and fear, while the aim of comedy is pleasure, is happiness, and it is comedy is also part of drama, and but its subject matter is different, its way of treatment is different. Uh, So students, we saw in tragedy that there are six elements: plot, character, fiction, thought, spectacle, and so on. And same elements are there in comedy also. But we find some differences in the comedy because in comedy people do suffer like tragedy, but the cause of suffering is different. They suffer to get love, they suffer to get affection, they suffer to get happiness to be united. But in tragedy, the people suffer to take revenge, to kill other, to give punishment. Mean the cause of the suffering in tragedy and comedy is much different. If you see there Macbeth, uh, people were suffering like that Macbeth and all other, but their cause were different. In same manner, in tragedy, if you see there, at the end, the villain is punished, he is killed, or he the would we say that poetic justice is done. But with that, in tragedy, we see tragic west also. In comedy, it is not so. Generally, in comedy, the villain also at the end of the comedy, his heart also change. His heart also change. He tries to improve his traits. He tries to, he becomes a good man or he becomes a part of the pleasure. So these are the basic differences we see in tragedy and comedy and other things which we can see in the in comparison of comedy and tragedy that the end of the tragedy is tragic while the end of the comedy is happy, pleasureful. It is good. It is an ending which makes person, spectator, audience happy. So, in tragedy, the darker side of the life is shown, while in comedy, we see a amusing part also. So these are the much difference, some differences which we can compare, we can find, we can see there, and all these are which are in my views which I have read here or I have seen in this comedy like that Macbeth and As You Like It. I have explained it. So here is a comedy that is As You Like It, and it is prescribed for your syllabus of first year. And one more important thing about the As You Like it is a pastoral comedy. The setting is in a forest where the Duke uh, Forest of Arden and Schaefer and people who are in the forest area, trees, all are there in these communities. And so this community has been included in the pastoral comedy. Shepherds, and trees, and people who are grazing their herds, and most of everyone in the committee comes to the forest when the Duke Senior was banished to the forest. Later on, that heroine of the comedy and all other characters go there, and at last we see that the brother of Duke Senior, who was the observer, he also went to the forest. So at last, at the end of the comedy, we see that every character has been shifted, has has gone to the forest. So it is included in the pastoral comedy. My dear students, you read its text, try to understand. If you have any question, please send me in the group, so I will try to answer. Thank you.